Now we're going to graph h of x equals x plus 1 squared. And here our shift is actually inside the parentheses, which is going to move left to right. Remember, left to right shifts always opposite. So plus 1 is actually going to move left 1. And there's no shift here, so it's not going to shift up or down at all. So we're not going to go up or down, but we're going to go left 1, and that's going to be our vertex. So our vertex will be -1, 0. And our axis of symmetry will go right down the middle at x equals -1. So when we make our table, we want 5 values, but 0 is not going to be our middle value anymore because now we have shifted that graph. So our middle value is actually going to be the x value for our vertex, which is -1. So from there, we need to go to 2 points to the negative side and 2 points right or towards the positive side. So 2 to the left would be -2 and -3, and 2 to the right would be 0 and 1. And now we're going to plug each of those into our equation. So -3 plus 1 squared. -3 plus 1 is -2 squared is +4. -2 plus 1, the whole quantity squared. -2 plus 1 is -1 squared is 1. -1 plus 1 is 0 squared is 0. 0 plus 1 squared is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2 squared is 4. So here we have our coordinate pairs, -3, 4. -2, 1, 0, 1, or sorry, -1, 0, 0, 1, and then 1, 4. And we know that did this correctly because we got a nice symmetrical parabola. So whenever there is an up and down shift, we can still center our graph at 0, but anytime there's this left to right shift, this inside shift, remember you have to make your vertex or the middle column of your table different. You have to make it the vertex. Don't just always start your table at 0, 0.